So you may have auto payment where you have a product or a food or an item that you get a discount because you automatically have them send it to you every month or every bi-weekly or whatever. So in order to get to that part, what you're going to do is, of course, go on Amazon, log in, and you're going to go up to where it says account and list. And so what we're going to do is go all the way down to subscribe and save. You can see that right there. Subscribe and save items. And I got one here for nutritional yeast. I get about 10% savings, which is pretty significant. I have it on every month, being September 2nd would be my next one because I canceled in August. So what you're going to do is you can skip a month. So for example, if I click skip, what will happen is yes, I can skip the next month that it's going to come, or I can completely cancel. So what I want to do is go ahead and click on it. And then what I'm going to do here is cancel subscriptions. You can see that right there. Cancel subscription. It says cancel your subscription. We will no longer receive your subscribe and save discount. And then I don't even select a reason here. I'll just click cancel my subscription.